I'm gonna show you how to hug your cat properly, okay? So here he is, and you take him and you go like this. Oh, don't get his whiskers in your mouth. Give him lots of kisses, and you hold him. You hold his whole body in your arms, and you can pet his little head. You can go like this. You tell him, "You're my little baby. I love you so much." He may look alarmed, but that's just how he looks. He wanted this. Right, Wiggy. Yep, now he's completely submerged into my arms, and he's very happy. Don't let his running away fool you.